You haven't been the same ever since my name was born. The forecast of this game is I bring the storm, so I'll ring this doorbell, or should I walk right in? Just know that I don't smell, look, or gotta talk like him. Not a doctor, Slim, Snoop Dogg, Tupac, rock him. Even if we were chickens, wouldn't clock like him. Be on the block again with the biggest Glock I can. But no, you're 25 years old, look at the clock again. I'm Clark again. That life was kryptonite. I used to ignite the crib, now I rip the mic like I flipped a bike. Break a rib, I might. I always force my lungs to full capacity when I write. The tenacity of a knight, my pencil is my spear. Precise ear, utensils and nice beer. This is a prize here, there's a surprise near. Give me the beef, baby, and tell me when to slice here. Just the best on site to my insecticide. I'll slash and wreck the side of your throat and have your neck decide if you're decapitated. Cause life is all about the fate. One day you're a savage, the other day you're found bait. I was carved to harm a fellow, armed with a pillow. He's upside down in his bed like an armadillo. Alarm until I'm out of energy like battery. I'm like an unsuccessful diet, cause now you see a fatter me. Smoke, pop a pill and kill a pheno until my face get a mean shade of red like a Filipino. You sold out like a filled kino. While I'm so loco, some people even say blanco Latino. My mind is like headbutts.